Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set icon name in AlmaLinux 8 operating system. Okay, icon name. There will be several icons for a computer. So in Linux flavors, that is Red Hat Linux flavors, there are some predefined icon names. So please refer the man pages of hostnamectl command to see what are the valid icon names can be set. Okay, now I am going to change the current icon name. Okay, hostnamectl set icon name. Next, provide the icon name which you are going to change. Okay, so I am changing the icon name from computer-vm to computer-desktop. You can see that icon name is changed here. Okay, so we can change the icon name, but we cannot clear the icon names. Okay, so make sure that this icon names, whatever I am telling is available, that is a valid icon name. Okay, valid icon name. So check the hostnamectl command man pages to see what are the valid icon name you can give.